Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start chapter 5 arithmetic progression, and before this we have done our first exercise. So today we are going to start second exercise, that is 5.2. So in question number 1, fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term and D is the common difference. So here we have given A as the first term and D as the common difference. So in this we have to find common difference and here nth term. Now for so here formula for finding nth term is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula for finding nth term an. Now so in this case we have given a equals to 7, d equals to 3, and we have to find an. So we will put formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So by putting here value, on place of a we will write 7, on place of n we will write 8, and 8 minus 1 into 3, value of d equals to 3. Now after this we can solve this. So by solving it, it will be equals to 7 plus 7 into 3, that is 7 into 3 will be 21. So 7 plus 21 equals to 28. So here value of an equals to 28, or we can say nth term will be equals to 28. Now similarly in second case we have a equals to minus 18, we have to find value of d, n equals to 10, an equals to 0. So by putting here value an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, so it will be equals to 0 minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 into d. So 18 equals to 9d. So value of d will be equals to 18 upon 2. Now similarly you can also try remaining part of this question. Similarly third part is also given. Value of a we have to find, d equals to minus 3, n equals to 18, and an equals to minus 5. So by putting value we can find here. So it will be minus 5 equals to a plus 18 minus 1 into minus 3. So finding its value, it will be equals to 46. So value of here a equals to 46. Now similarly fourth part is also given. In fourth part we have given a equals to minus 18.9, common difference d equals to 2.5, and we have to find value of n, and an equals to 3.6. So by putting here value in the formula, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, it will be equals to 3.6 equals to minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 into 2.5. So by finding its value, n will be equals to 10. So here value of n will be equals to 10. Now after this, see next question. In question number 2, here choose the correct choice of the following and justify it. So here we have to find in first part 38 term of the AP, and AP is given 10, 7, 4 and so on. So here options are also given 97, 77, minus 77 and minus 87. So in this solution AP we have given 10, 7, 4 and so on, and value of A, that is first term, equals to 10, and here common difference we will find 7 minus 10, 7 minus 10 will be equals to minus 3. So common difference d will be equals to minus 3. Now an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now putting here value, so here 38 term we will find here, because we have to find 38 term, that is an. So an means a30 equals to 10 plus 30 minus 1 into minus 3. So by solving, it will be equals to 10 minus 87 equals to minus 77. So correct option will be C. So here minus 77 is the correct option. So in this case C option will be correct. Now after this second part, so second part is also same. Here we have to find 11th term, and in 11th term AP is given as minus 3, minus 1 upon 2 and 2. Now so here by solving this second part, so in second part we can solve, and value of a11 by putting same value, that is value of d, value of an, it will be equals to 11. So value of a11 equals to 22. So in this B option will be correct. Now question number 3, in the following AP find the missing term of the boxes. So here boxes are given and we have to find missing terms. So here we have to find a2, means which is the second term. So for finding second term, here we have first term, that is a equals to 2, third term equals to 26, and value of an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to find here value for a3. So a3 will be equals to 2 plus, that is a plus value of a will be equals to 2, and here n minus 1 means 3 minus 1, and here common difference is d. So here we will put D. Now by putting value, it will be equals to 24 equals to 2D. Value of D will be equals to 12. Now we have find value of D. After this, A2 equals to 2 plus. Now we have to find value of A2, that is 2 plus 2 minus 1 into 12. So that it will be equals to 14. So value of A2 or second term will be equals to 14. Now after this, see next question. In next question, similarly remaining part of this question you can try. Now in question number 3, we have in the given AP find the missing term of the boxes. So in this also, first term we have given A equals to 2, A3 equals to 26, so it will be equals to 14. Similarly in second case we have given A2 equals to 13 and A4 equals to 3. So by solving it, first we have to put value of an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here A4 equals to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. So here two equation will be formed. So by forming these two equation, first equation will be 13 equals to a plus d and second equation 3 equals to a plus d. Now with the help of linear pair in two variable, we can solve equation number 1 and 2 and we will find value of common difference d and value of a. So d will be equals to minus 5 and a will be equals to 18. So by putting it value in formula, a3 equals to a plus n minus 1 or 3 minus 1 into 5, we can find its value, that will be equals to 8. So value of a3 will be equals to 8. Now after this, third part, for given AP, A equals to 5, A4 equals to 19 upon 2. So here An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A4 equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. 19 upon 2 equals to 5 plus 3D. So by solving it, value of D. So first we can find value of D. D will be equals to 3 upon 2 and A3 will be equals to 8. So here we can find value of D and A3. So we can say therefore the missing term is 13 upon 2 and 8 respectively. So these are the missing terms. Now after this, see next question. In question number 4, we have to find that which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78. So we have to find that which term will be 78. So here series is given 3, 8, 13, 18. Value of A equals to 3. Now here common difference will be a2 minus a1, that is equals to 5. So putting formula, an equals to a plus n minus 1 equals to d. So n minus 1 equals to 15 and value of n will be equals to 16. Similarly question number 5 is also same. Here we have to find terms in each of the following. So first part we have given 7, 13, 19 and 205. So we have to find the number of terms, means value of n we have to find. So we will use same formula, that is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now putting here value, so we can find value of n equals to 34. Now here value of n equals to 34 and we know that the first term equals to 18 and common difference will be equals to a2 minus a1. So d will be equals to minus 5 upon 2. Similarly we can find remaining part of this question also. So here we can say that n equals to 27. So value of n will be equals to 27. Now in question number 6, we have to check minus 150 is the term of AP. So we have to check whether minus 150 is the term of this AP or not. Now so here also we will use same formula and we can take an equals to minus 150. Now for finding its value, if value of n will be in the whole number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 or any other number, then this number will exist. But if the value of n is negative or in fraction, then we can say that minus 150 will not consist. Now so here by solving this by using same formula, that is a equals to an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, we can find value of n equals to 164 upon 3, that is in fraction. So we can say that minus 150 is not the term of this AP. Now similarly see next question. In next question, question number 7, we have given find 31st term of an AP whose 11 term is 38 and 16 term is 73. Now so 11 term is 38 and 16 term is 73. So here putting formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a11 equals to a plus 11 minus d. So first equation will be 38 equals to a plus 10d, and second equation will be 73 equals to a plus 15d. Now by solving it, equation number 1 and 2, we can find value of d, that is common difference, and value of a. So a will be equals to minus 32 and d will be equals to 7. Now we have to find a31. So value of a31 can be find with the help of formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here value will be equals to 178. So we can say that 31st term will be equals to 178. Now after this, question number 8, an AP consists of 50 terms. So here we know that an AP which consists of 50 terms means last term, that is an equals to 50, or we can say here that it consists of 50 terms. So 50 terms means A50. So total number of terms are 50. So here value of n equals to 50, and it is also saying that in which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Last term is 106 means A50 equals to 106 means 50th term is 106. Now so here we know that the third term is equals to 12 and here 50th term is equals to 106. Now we know that an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a3 will be equals to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. So first equation will be formed 12 equals to a plus 2d, and second equation will form 106 equals to a plus 49d. So with the help of these two equations 1 and 2, we can find here value of a and d. So finding value of a and d will be equals to 2 and a will be equals to value of a or a50, which we have to find here. So value of d will be equals to 2 and value of a will be equals to 8. Now we have to find a 29 term. So 29 term we can put here formula a plus 29 minus 1 into d. So value of 29 term will be equals to 64. So answer will be equals to 64. Now after this, see next question, question number 9. If the third and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, so which term of this AP is 0? So we have to find that which number of term will be 0. So we will take here an equals to 0. Now by putting an equals to 0 and by applying formula a plus n minus 1 into d, now we know that a3 equals to 4. So first equation will be formed for a3, that is equals to 4 equals to a plus 2d, that is first equation, and second equation will be minus 8 equals to a plus 8d. Now by solving equation number 1 and 2, we can find here value of d, that is equals to minus 2, and value of a equals to 8. Now we have to apply this in the given formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, and here an equals to 0. So here putting this these value in this formula, 0 equals to 8 minus 2n plus 2. So here 2n equals to 10. So value of n will be equals to 5. Now after this, see question number 10. In question number 10, if 17th term of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7, means here 10th term and 17th term. So 17th term is 7 more than 10th term. So we can take that, let an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, and a17 will be equals to a plus 17 minus 1 into d. So a17 equals to a plus 16d. Now in the same way, we can also find for a10. So a10 equals to a plus 9d, as we know that a17 minus a10, we know that here difference between 17th and 10th term is equals to 7. Now value of a17 is equals to a plus 16d, and minus value of a10 will be equals to here a plus 9d. So here a plus 9b now equals to 7. Now by solving this, value of it will be 7d equals to 7. So value of d will be equals to 1. So we can say that the common difference will be equals to 1. So value of d equals to 1. So today we will do up to question number 10 and remaining question of this exercise we will do on next turn. So all of you, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day to all.